Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we focus on how appellate courts clarify the boundaries of criminal law. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. This case is McDonnell versus United States, AUS, Supreme Court decision that significantly narrowed how federal bribery and corruption laws are applied to public officials. According to court records, the case arose from the federal prosecution of former Virginia Governor Bob McDonnell and his wife. Prosecutors alleged that the governor accepted loans, gifts, and other benefits from a businessman while promoting that individual's dietary supplement product. One key fact was the legal definition at issue. The prosecution relied on the concept of an official act, arguing that arranging meetings, hosting events, and contacting other officials on the businessman's behalf qualified as criminal conduct when tied to personal benefits. A second important issue involved jury instructions. At trial, jurors were told they could convict if they found that McDonnell performed routine political courtesies in exchange for gifts. The defense argued that this interpretation criminalized ordinary political behavior. A third factor was the Supreme Court's review. The court examined whether the government's theory was too broad and whether it risked making commonplace interactions between elected officials and constituents subject to criminal prosecution. In 2016, the Supreme Court unanimously overturned McDonnell's conviction. The court held that an official act must involve a formal exercise of governmental power, such as a decision or action on a specific matter, not merely setting up meetings or expressing support. The ruling sent the case back to lower courts, and prosecutors ultimately declined to retry it. One clear legal lesson from this case is the importance of precise statutory limits in corruption law. Courts require a clear quid pro quo involving formal governmental action in order to avoid criminalizing routine political conduct. How should the law draw the line between corruption and ordinary political interaction? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value calm, unbiased explanations of landmark court decisions, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.